Hello, now we are continue to do the testing. This part is we will do the charging test of the manual switch system. We can see on our bench, this is the switch box, and we have a test battery, and we have a 7 kilowatt charger pi, AC charger pi, and we already connect the battery with battery one, COM1. COM1 connect to the to here, the switch box. It means that the HVPDU, the signals connect through this wire, connect to the to the communication one in. So to do the charging test, we need to turn on the switch pi, turn on the AC charger pi, car to start, auto, and we use the car to start. Now it's on, and we turn on the power output, and we turn the key to on, and then from the BMS software, let's connect the BMS software to see the BMS working condition. Now we can see the battery voltage. Let me change it to English. We can see the voltage of the test battery is 391, and to start the charging, the charger pi already working, and the charging gun already insert to the socket, and we need to send a high voltage on command by the computer. And this ZCam Pro we use as a simulate a VCU to command the VCU to turn the high voltage on. So we send a command to turn the relay high voltage on. After we turn on the relay, we can see the charger current increase. Now it's charging, and we also can see from here, there is a charging current. So it means that the battery is charging. We set the charging current quite small because the battery is small and is almost full. And then we send the command to turn off the charging, turn off the relay. So after we turn off the high voltage relay, we can see the charging current now is 0. So we now try to switch to another battery. We turn it off, turn the key off, and we turn off the power, and then we switch. Now it's on. Now it's on. It means that now it's connected to the battery 2. And we pull off the connector. Here is a connector. We connect to battery 1. And then we connect this one. And we can see this wire is battery 2. It's connected to here. this is communication 2 in. It means that it's connect to the battery communication 2. So again, we turn on the power and put the key to on, and then we can see the reading of the battery. To charge the battery, we need to set the SOC lower. So we change. For example, we change to bigger. Now at the SOC is 51. So we turn on the high voltage. We can hear the click of the relay, and we can see the increase of the charging current. And come over here. We can see the charging output current of the AC charger Pi. So it means that the battery 2 now is charging. Just now our BMS sent an alarm that the charging is over current. So I'll just reset the charging current to the bigger one. Just now is 3 amps. So up it may go higher than 3 amps. So it send the warning. So we do the charging test for the battery 2 again. Now is connect to the battery 2. This is battery 2, and here is the switch is on, also on. It also means that it's connected to the battery 2. Now the charging Pi is green. It means the charging Pi is connected. So let's put on the relay and do the charging again. After we send the command to turn on the relay, we can see the charging current, and also we can see the charging current here of the charger Pi. And it means that the battery 1 or the battery 2 is charging, and also we can switch back to charging 1 to do a test again. And I turn off charger relay. Now it's 0. It's not in charging, and we turn the key to off, and we turn off the power, and we switch the battery to 1, and we disconnect the battery 2. This is battery 2. We disconnect battery 2, and this is battery 1, and we connect battery 1. Okay, and then again turn on the power, put the key to on. We can see the BMS information, and then we send the relay on, send the command to the VCU, to the BMS to turn on the relay. And we can see the current of the charge of the. We can see the charging current now And we also can see from here the charging current. And the charging now is okay. And later we will do the discharge test. Thank you.